Hi, today I want to talk about how to form questions with was and were. Look at the sentences. Affirmative. Bookvik was at the beach yesterday. Question. Was Bookvik at the beach yesterday? Affirmative. They were scared. Question. Were they scared? Affirmative. There was a teacher in the classroom. Question. Was there a teacher in the classroom? Pretty easy, right? Now let's try to make questions with the question words. Where was the teacher yesterday? When was she in the classroom? Why was the teacher in the classroom? Who was in the classroom? Easy, right? Now go back to your lesson and try to make as many questions with was and were as you can. Good luck!